Most welcome in Technology Welfare. See, in this video tutorial, I would like to tell you how you will use VoiceMeeter while you're recording any video which is for your, of course, any kind of the project. For example, of course, if you have started to record, of course, for YouTube video, for any another purpose video, then you must know voice meters, because that will give you fantastic sound, while you're recording anything on your monitor, desktop, or of course with the help of laptop. So let's start. See, first of all, I want to tell this is your, of course, hardware input. So when you inject any, of course, mic device, then this will show company name. So this is my, of course, mic. But if you would like to use your computer microphone, of course, mic, then go for here, clicking. I use here, of course, this headphone. Then of course I will go here this, because it's of course outside headphone I have injected in my PC. So I will go MME microphone, real tech audio, and after clicking here, now after clicking here, what have I to do now? See, this is your mic. What sound you would like to record it, what a scale. If you would like to record your sound with full scale, then go for, of course, higher, of course, but record at these levels. This will be better for you, because that will give you clarity sound at all. So just from here, this, of course, gate and camp, so we have to here see this should be at approximately, of course, 45-degree angle, and this one also is 4 is equal to 2 something, 4.2. that should be. Just see carefully, and then you have to give, of course, connection to, this is a A1. So outside in your speaker you would like to this sound listen that directly, if I'm here playing any song, with that song I would like to record my sound also, then in these situations you have to select any song. See, I have selected this song here. How? Just click on here and select any song from your computer. Suppose I go on a desktop, and in there is one song. So suppose I have elected these songs. Now it's working. Now see, of course, when I would like to listen on my amplifier, home theater, then you have to hear selections. Here there are 3 player, of course. So remind you that A1, A2, A3. Here is also A1, A2, A3 controller. What sound you would like to output in your amplifier, in your home theater, this is your controller for first. This will be, of course, a controller for second, and this one is for last. This is your controller for third. Then what you have to do, just I would like to show you that how it's working here. Now see, my dear, just I would like to suppose in a home theater I would like to use. So this is my home theater. So now just I clicked here. Now I play. Now it's the see, this song is running, of course, outside, and along with this sound is also recording. So how it is shown? Just if I would like to record this sound, so just I will click on this button like that. Now see, it's started to record. Yes, and I would like to stop because I don't want to record this song. Now here, this is my, of course, selected, but I have to go for here because I have the recording, as we know, with my recorder. So I have to go here. Yes, WDM, and now that's fine. It given to the signal to my, of course, BSR screen recorder, because I'm recording at the moment, of course, with the help of the BSR recorder. So how? Just I would like to show you. See, this is your option, but this will not come here. Once again, I would like to open this new one. Now new one will play here. Now see, my dear, here I would like to show. Yes, this is my BCR. Yes, BSR, sorry. Actually, with the help of the of course, with this application, actually whatever the video I am the recording on my channels, show here. See, this is your screen, this is video, and this is, of course, BSR recorder, you know very well. Here audio, here we have to select which mode is favorable for that. So definitely, of course, BB audio meter has been given here. BB audio meter, yes, AUX video, that's give you, yes, good sound also here. So no problem, BID, yeah, whatever you would like to show, I will go with here, that's fine. Now go in a microphone, then sorry, go in a especially microphones, then we will do okay here. So this is a way to, of course, how you will assist to, yes, go for recording, of course, any video with the help of especially VoiceMeeters, because of course it is only one, especially I am the VoiceMeeter. With the help of course, you will be able to record any, of course, any videos with, of course, good quality of audio. So this is a technique, my dear. If you would like to any equalizer, so see, this will give you, see, this is your, yes, Intel pen. Yes, this is your Intel pen. That is, of course, if you would like to go here, that will give you, of course, echo sound. Here it has been fixed echo, that has been given, of course, in the control panel. If you would like to change the any sound, then it will go like that. Of course, you have to go, that will give you various kind of the sound of your voice. If I go in the high, that will give you, of course, high level sound, and this will be give you low level of your sound. So I will fix here with echo sound. This is your second, of course, Intel. Yes, this is your second Intel Lipens, and this is your third Intel Lipen. But I am using here. If you using here, then no problem, just to connect from here, and this will give you, and all kind of the, of course, same procedure you have to follow. But if you don't using this one, then just you have to close. This shouldn't be highlighted like that. This one be remembered, these shouldn't be. If you would like to, yes, record your sound with the solo, so that will give you solo sound. Of course, if you would like to record this sound in a mono way, then that will give you mono way. If you would like to mute off your sound, then of course by here clicking you will be able to mute. Now I will come in here, and if anything, whatever you have selected on that you would like to record your sound, so what you have to do here, just you have to go in a selection part. Of course, this one, see, this is your, of course, VoiceMeeter, of course, banana, as we know, audio network configuration. So here you have to, of course, save the configuration. So just you have selected whatever according to your channels and then go for on. It will be off, but you have to click on there, that will be on. Now it's on, go for off, then now you are totally able to use this application for recording of any kind of the video with the help of any recorder in your PC, your whatever, that is your laptop, that is your mobile phone device. So this is way. And one thing I would like to tell you here is how much the sound you would like to use amplifier outside. So this is your, of course, here this will give you, if you would like to reduce the sound of any this player, if especially if mp3 any song is playing here, so sound control, because it's a very important here that how you recording the sound. As we know, what quantity, what level of your sound is, of course, recording at same scale you have to assess here, because similar sound will be, if you would like to low scale level of your sound, if you would like to record, so this will be your controller. If you would like to listen your outside song, whatever is playing by with the help of this player, so here what you have to do, you have to hide. So outside sound in your home theater, especially outside a speaker, at what quantity level you would like to listen, especially sound, on the basis of especially by that especially you will be able to. And I have already mentioned to you that will be your outside. So just click, if second player, then second player, and you will select how especially outside home theater speaker by clicking here and go for it's see, it's for my window speaker, it's for my, of course, a headphone, Bluetooth speaker, this is especially, of course. So if you would like to use especially the sound outside by especially any with the connecting of the home theater, then you have to go for, here will be symbol of your company home theater. So this is way, my dears, to how to mix, cut, of course, how to merge your sound, how to sing a song on the, of course, especially with any mp3 player songs, if the playing echo, especially with that, if you would like to record your sound also with that, if you would like to give the new voice, of course, new your own sound on that especially song, for example, of course, the any song actually, suppose let you give a demo here, my dear. Suppose I would like to play this song here, and suppose let's have see this song I have selected here. Now I will play this song. All right, now song especially I will select here. Suppose I have selected here, see one thing that here I have selected. Now it's really now see here, I will play here. Now song is playing. If I would like to sing a song with that speaker, sure, it will start to sing a song, of course. But I have the recording here, so I will go with the here, my dear. So this is all about in this video tutorial of the VoiceMeeter, how you will, of course, control and how you will be able to record your sound with a good quality of audio with the help of VoiceMeeter, of course. So this is a fantastic and by free cost. I will give you link, of course, below my description box. Of course, just you have to go there and click, you will be able to directly download, and after downloading, just do the practice of that, especially at what level your the sound is going to be a good quality, and on the especially on that especially a scale, yeah, on that level, just start to record your, yes, audio for any project, my dear. And so this is all about in this video tutorial, and thank you very much for giving your the valuable time to learn it. And I hope that of course my video has been benefited to you in any way. So please like and subscribe to my channels for the acknowledgement, yeah, further updatation and notifications. Thank you guys, have a great time.